An old neighborhood haunt and a sound off about the Beacon Cafe. They got shafted at the airport by the HOA. That's another story. They're a good place, good people. That's Billiards. This has got billiards, obviously. Shuffleboard was always good. After a couple margaritas over at Villa Grande, because when you had a couple there, it seemed like your shuffleboarding skills were a lot better fucking here. It was a good excuse to drink. Hadn't been in here in a while. Well, I take that back. I'm lying. I was here about a week ago. But we're going to go in here, grab a brewski, and celebrate Memorial Day the best way you can. Cold beer, beautiful sky, racing your car, your truck, or whatever. And internal combustion engines, a beautiful thing. And batteries are good, but they'll never work in one of those fuckers for a few years. Here we go. I'm having a good time, and going to go in here. I can't remember the server's name, but they're good people. Grab a cold beer and then head to the next place on the way back to the compound.